What if you could delegate half your daily tasks to someone who never sleeps, never gets tired, and works 24/7 for free? Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's not science fiction, it's the reality of AI assistants. Welcome to Lesson 2 of our AI Mastery series, powered by Cosberry. Today, we're stepping into the fascinating world of AI assistants. What they are, how they're different from generative AI, and the real-world benefits they bring to your workflow. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an AI assistant? An AI assistant is a software tool powered by artificial intelligence that's designed to help you perform tasks more efficiently. Unlike traditional software that just follows preset commands, AI assistants can learn, adapt, and interact with you in a way that feels almost human. You can think of them as your personal digital helper, available anytime you need them. Some of the most well-known examples are ChatGPT, great for writing, brainstorming, and problem-solving. Google Assistant, helpful for quick searches and scheduling. Siri, integrated into Apple devices for voice-activated commands. Microsoft Copilot, built into Office apps for productivity tasks. These assistants don't just do what you tell them, they can also understand context, remember previous interactions, and even anticipate your needs. For instance, tell ChatGPT, help me prepare a meeting agenda for tomorrow's marketing review. And it can create the agenda, suggest discussion points, and even draft follow-up emails for afterward. Difference from generative AI. Now, here's where a lot of people get confused. How is an AI assistant different from generative AI? Generative AI refers to tools that create new content, like text, images, music, or videos. For example, DALL-E can generate realistic images from a text prompt, and ChatGPT can write blog articles or code snippets. AI assistants, on the other hand, may use generative AI as part of their toolkit, but they go beyond content creation. They organize tasks, manage schedules, connect with your apps, and execute multi-step processes. Here's a simple analogy. Generative AI is like a chef who cooks amazing dishes. An AI assistant is like your personal manager, deciding what to cook, when to serve it, and planning all your meals for the week. One focuses on creating, the other focuses on getting things done in your life or business, creation included. Benefits of AI-assisted workflows. So, why should you care? What's the big deal about AI-assisted workflows? Here are 5 game-changing benefits. 1. Saves time. AI assistants can automate repetitive tasks, things like summarizing meeting notes, drafting standard emails, or scheduling social media posts. Imagine reclaiming 2 to 3 hours of your day. 2. Improves consistency. They deliver the same quality every time. Whether it's sending client follow-up messages or generating reports, you can count on a consistent tone and format. 3. Reduces mental load. Ever get decision fatigue by 3 p.m.? AI assistants take away hundreds of micro-decisions, freeing up your brain for bigger, more strategic thinking. 4. Enhances creativity. Ironically, the more your assistant handles the boring stuff, the more time and energy you have for brainstorming fresh ideas. 5. Works across multiple tools. Many AI assistants integrate seamlessly with tools you already use, your email, calendar, documents, and even project management systems. This means your workflows become smoother without switching apps all the time. Imagine logging in tomorrow morning and realizing your to-do list is already halfway done before breakfast. What would you do with that extra time? That's the power of AI-assisted workflows. In short, AI assistants are more than just smart programs. They're workflow partners, always ready, always learning, always working. Now that we've laid the foundation, in the next part, we'll dive into one of the most powerful AI assistants in the world today, ChatGPT, and explore its key functions. You're going to see exactly how to put it to work for you. What if I told you that your AI assistant could handle emails, generate reports, brainstorm ideas, and even keep you organized, all before your first coffee? Well, meet ChatGPT. Welcome back to Lesson 2 of our AI Mastery series, powered by Cosberry. In this segment, we'll meet one of the most versatile AI assistants in the world, ChatGPT, and explore exactly how you can use it to save hours every single week. ChatGPT is a conversational AI developed by OpenAI. Think of it as a super smart digital partner that can understand your questions, remember context within a session, and give you answers that sound like they came from a real person. It's not just a chatbot, it's a problem solver, a writer, a planner, and even a creative partner. You can ask it to draft an email in your style. You can request a 10-point marketing plan. You can even have it role-play a difficult client conversation so you can prepare. Two key functions of ChatGPT. Here's where it gets powerful. ChatGPT can summarize long documents so you can get the key points in seconds. Brainstorm content ideas, headlines, or product names. Generate code, formulas, and technical instructions. Organize information into tables, lists, and action steps. Translate languages in real time. Explain complex topics in simple terms for you or your team. Example, say you've just read a 10-page market research report. Instead of spending an hour writing a summary, you paste it into ChatGPT and say, summarize this into bullet points for a presentation in a professional tone. Done in seconds. Task batching. This is where ChatGPT becomes a productivity multiplier. Instead of giving it one request at a time, you batch your tasks. For example, instead of, write a blog intro, suggest headlines, generate hashtags, you say, you are my marketing assistant. For my blog post on AI in healthcare, 1. Write a 150-word intro. 2. Give me 10 engaging headlines. 3. Generate 20 related hashtags. It's like telling your assistant, here's the whole list, do it all at once. Templated responses. If you handle similar tasks daily, client replies, report formats, meeting recaps, you can create templates in ChatGPT. Example. Template. Respond to this customer politely, thank them for their feedback, address their concern about late delivery, and offer a 10% discount on their next order. Every time you get a new email, just paste it in and say, use the template. This ensures consistency, speed, and professionalism without you reinventing the wheel each time. If you could hand off half of your routine tasks to a digital assistant who never complains and never gets tired, would you? We've seen what AI assistants like ChatGPT can do, but the real magic happens when you make them part of your daily rhythm. Let's turn theory into habits that transform your productivity. Daily checklists. One of the simplest, most powerful uses of AI assistants is creating dynamic checklists. Instead of a static to-do list, you can ask ChatGPT, every morning, generate my priority list for today based on the projects we discussed yesterday, breaking it into morning, afternoon, and evening tasks. This means your list adapts daily. You can even link it to your calendar or project tracker for real-time updates. It's like having a personal manager who remembers everything, except they don't need coffee. Idea generation, brainstorming. Ever hit that wall where you stare at a blank page? ChatGPT doesn't. You can feed it a prompt like, I'm launching a fitness challenge for busy professionals. Give me 20 unique campaign ideas, each with a catchy slogan and social media hook. Within seconds, you've gone from I'm stuck to I have too many good options to choose from. Pro tip: layer your requests. If it gives you 20 ideas, ask it to pick the best 5 and then expand each into a full marketing outline. Combining strategies. Here's where things get next level. Stacking features. Imagine this workflow. 1. Brainstorm ideas for a YouTube series. Second, batch tasks by requesting scripts, thumbnails, and captions at once. 3. Use templates for consistent replies to comments. 4. Generate daily checklists to stay on track. By chaining these capabilities together, you're no longer just using AI. You're building a self-sustaining system that runs on autopilot while you focus on higher-level work. Ethical considerations. Before we get carried away, remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your judgment. Verify facts before publishing or acting on AI-generated content. Be transparent when AI has contributed to your work, especially in professional or client-facing contexts. Avoid using AI for sensitive or confidential information unless it's in a secure environment. Ethics in AI isn't just about compliance, it's about trust. And trust is your most valuable currency. Practical tips for using ChatGPT. Be specific in your prompts. The clearer you are, the better the output. Use examples to guide the tone and format you want. Iterate. Refine the AI's output instead of accepting the first draft. Create prompt libraries for recurring tasks. Timebox AI sessions to prevent overthinking and keep momentum. Key takeaways. AI assistants like ChatGPT can supercharge your workflow, but only if you integrate them into daily habits. Task batching, templated responses, and idea generation can save hours per week. Combining strategies turns AI into a scalable productivity engine. Always pair AI's speed with your own critical thinking. The real question isn't whether AI can help you, it's whether you're ready to let it. You've just learned how to turn ChatGPT from a casual tool into a powerful partner. But this is only the beginning. In Lesson 3, we'll go deeper, transforming AI from a helpful assistant into a strategic powerhouse that can plan, execute, and scale your most ambitious projects. So don't just watch, implement what you've learned today. Because the sooner you start, the sooner your AI will stop being an experiment and start being your unfair advantage. Before we wrap up, let's tackle some common questions about using AI assistants like ChatGPT. Question 1. Can an AI assistant completely replace my job? Number AI assistants are tools. They work best alongside human judgment, creativity, and decision-making. They're here to support you, not replace you. Question 2. How do I make sure AI-generated information is accurate? Always verify facts, cross-check with credible sources, and apply your own judgment before using AI outputs. Question 3. What's the easiest way to start using AI in my daily work? Start small. Give your AI one repetitive task, like summarizing reports, for a week, then expand from there. Question 4. Can I trust AI with sensitive company data? Be careful. Avoid sharing confidential information unless you're using a secure, company-approved AI platform. Question 5. Will AI assistants understand my specific work style over time? Yes, if you keep interacting with them consistently. The more context you provide, the more tailored their responses become. Question 6. What if AI gives me an answer that doesn't feel right? Trust your instincts. If something seems off, double-check it or ask the AI to explain its reasoning. Question 7. Can AI help me be more creative, not just faster? Absolutely. AI can suggest new ideas, offer fresh perspectives, and help you think outside your usual patterns. Question 8. What's the single biggest mistake people make when using AI assistants? Expecting perfect answers without giving clear instructions. The better your prompt, the better your result. So, to sum it all up, AI assistants are powerful partners when you guide them with clarity, use them responsibly, and verify their work. They can save you time, boost your creativity, and help you make better decisions. But they need your direction to shine. Your next step? Pick one task, give it to your AI assistant, and see how much easier your day becomes. Thanks for watching, and here's to working smarter together.